Just finished mowing the yard. Looks nice and pretty. Not too shabby for an old fat man, huh? Just a little over 2 acres. This is the backyard. I think it's about 2.2 acres. We're using this beast. Simplicity. It's got a 38-inch swath on it. She's still hot. Just parked it. 16 horse, high output, Kohler command. She's still hot. Just now shut it down. Let's take the deck off, clean it up. Might take the blades off, take them home, sharpen them. I don't know. It's real easy to take the deck off of this thing. Lower the deck here. Pull one of those pins off right there. And release this spring here, right here, that releases the front. They just slide right up the side. Super easy. Love this thing. Take a little break before I do anything else. Yeah, I love this mower. Only used a half tank. Little utility trailer go with it. Nice little trailer. Keep the pin right there by the tongue. Nice big garage. 2 doors here. Got its own separate one here for the mower. It's pretty nice. Take a little walk here and look out the front. Propane tank. Nice house here. When Mom passes away, my sister and I were going to sell it, split the money, 60-40. I'll take 40. She's got a family. I might just take 35. I don't know.